Today on Embracing Self-Love series.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you anywhere.
What's up, me and more gang? It's your girl Bianca Shanice, and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, hello, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. So on today's video, I will be cooking myself a nice meal. I also will be doing some pampering for myself. It's raining today, so I just was trying to enjoy and soak up all the vibes for today since I was off. So it is later in the afternoon, and I went and decided to go ahead and cook dinner. I'm just cooking myself some salmon. So I had already pat dried my salmon. I'm just adding the seasonings to it. And I have learned the reason why I like to pat dry my salmon is because when there's a lot of water soaked up into it, the seasoning doesn't stick to it. So I like to pat dry. So I also want to mention, I picked up the wrong salmon this time. I normally get the one without the skin up there because I don't like how it tastes with the skin up there. So now I'm just about to fix this Asian chopped salad. Come on with the presentation, B. I love it. So y'all know it wouldn't be a video if I didn't light any candles. I just was trying to pull off the vibe, honey. I needed the whole experience. A nice candlelit dinner. Got my salmon and my salad. It is just a 10 out of 10. Recommend, y'all. Originally it was like 20 some dollars, but I just love how it feels and I love the color of it. And how y'all feel about my new robe, honey? I got another robe, honey. I'm gonna have robe for days. I love a robe though. So now I'm getting ready to do my skincare, a mini facial. I won't be addressing all the products that I will be using. I already have a video on my page of my skincare routine. And this clip here of me showing my face, I was going to cut it out, but y'all, my skin is not always together and I don't want to portray that it is. I have some hyperpigmentation, dark marks, texture on my skin, and I'm just going to have to show y'all the raw. I do want to mention, I have been getting a lot of comments and people telling me that they do like Me or More Gang. Also, people have been telling me they have been trying some of the recipes and some of the ideas and activities that I have showed y'all. And that's what I really wanted. I really wanted y'all to do these things along with me, for y'all to be able to practice these things, you know, for months and years to come. And I'm really, really pleased and happy that you all are trying these things out and giving me feedback. Okay, you guys, so I'm about to put on these eye patches. And it's it's the eye mask. I'm about to put on this eye mask. Okay, y'all, so I'm just about to put this Neutrogena Clear Pore Cleanser and Mask. I'm gonna use it as a mask. I also do get a lot of questions on why I don't like to do makeup no more, and I don't know if I really addressed it, but it's just not there. I'm still in the beauty industry because I do like to still wear makeup, but I do not like to wear it often, because at one point I was wearing it where I didn't even recognize who I was, and I knew I had to really deal with that. So I just stopped wearing makeup overall and just really want to focus on my skin. I always was big on my skin, but I really want to walk in my own true happiness and beauty within myself. And sometimes, you know, you can't get that when you have a mask, not just a mask with makeup, but a mask of everything else that you're hiding, you know, from your true self. And we really need to sit down and deal with those things. Okay, y'all, so my face is fresh, clean. Y'all, I've been having outbreaks like crazy. And they are like kind of scarring on my face, you see? But my cycle just came on, and so that's why. And then like they leave like a little scarring on my face. my nose red from that mask. My cheeks. But anywho, my skin has been doing better, but it's just that, like, I get an outbreak. Like, I got one here. I had one right here last night. But anywho, I'm just going to use my hydrating booster drops from e.l.f. And I'm not gonna really like explain everything that I'm using because I already have a skincare routine on my page. But what's up, y'all? How have y'all been liking the videos? I think I asked y'all that all the time. Did something come on my face? But yeah, today was a chill day. Yes, today was a chill day. I was off today. I didn't do much or nothing. I really didn't like rest like I wanted to because I was recording the video today. And I did a little bit of cleaning. My schedule kind of gonna get back to normal. Because my boss, she was on vacation or whatever. So that's why I was working more hours. So yeah. Do y'all got any upcoming plans? You know, any upcoming plans? I'm trying to think. Oh yeah, like I said, how did y'all feel about me calling y'all Mia Morgan? I liked it. So that's what I think I'm gonna call y'all. I'll be like, what's up, Mia Morgan? If y'all mind me of Moore's watch Power, please let me know, because I want to talk about it with y'all. Like, I want to know how y'all feel about Power. Also, do y'all watch 911? Just the regular 911? Do y'all watch 911 Lone Star? Do y'all watch Law and Order? I'm trying to think of anything else I watch. Because we could be talking about these shows. I really, y'all, I'm a show movie addict, honey, junkie. I live for me a good show now. Yeah, I really don't got no plans, no upcoming plans. Me and my cousin supposed to be going to a concert next month, but we haven't talked about it anymore, so I'm not sure if we're gonna, still do it or whatnot. But I would love to go because somebody ain't gonna be there that I want to see. Okay, y'all, so I am finished with my mini facial. Yep, skin glowing. How y'all like my new robe? I got this robe the other day when I had in my grocery haul and I forgot to show y'all, but yeah. It's nice or whatever. I like it. But yeah. So now I'm about to put my pajamas on so I can get ready for bed. Y'all, I've been so geeked to finally wear these pajamas. These are the pajamas I had got a couple months ago for my cousin. Matter of fact, it was in June. My cousin had a slumber party for her birthday, and we all had these type of pajamas. And I didn't attend the pajama party. And I'm now just like really wearing it. I did wear it one time, I think, but now I'm wearing it, and I've been so eager to wear it. And I said I was gonna do me a night routine or a pamper routine, and I was gonna put my pajamas on. But I'm just getting ready to get my bed ready. And y'all, this blanket, this throw blanket here, it is so comfortable. It feels so good. The quality is good. And I just slept under that last night. I didn't sleep under the covers. I just slept under that blanket, and I was warm, like, for real. that I picked, I can't remember the name of it. Y'all, I didn't never make it to finish watching it because I started editing this video last night and I got on the phone, and child, next thing you know, I was just like, yeah, it's time for me to go to bed. And yes, y'all, I do have a little cellulite on my thighs, child. I'm small, but I have cellulite. And y'all have forgot to put my bonnet on, honey. I can't go to bed without my bonnet. And some nights I do, where I sleep with my satin pillowcase, but most of all, I normally try to sleep with my bonnet on. So me and more gang, this video is coming to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions on anything I have said or done in this video, please feel free to comment. Also, please don't forget hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. Goodbye.
Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on.